The duo, the combination.
Yeah, he benched me actually.
This is Andrelton Simmons, shortstop for the Angels.
It's Didi Gregorius, shortstop for the Philadelphia Phillies. This is the Newlybros Curaçao edition.
Maybe five or six.
Five. He's a year older than me, so 6 for him,
Yeah.
5 for me.
I remember seeing him, like I think they put him in the outfield. He always brought his long 3/4 sleeve, I think.
No,
green
long
shirt.
sleeve.
Long?
Long sleeve.
He was in right field, and then like they noticed he was too good to be in the outfield, so
The duo, the combination.
Yeah.
Second base and shortstop.
he benched me actually when we got older for a little bit.
If I'm wrong with confidence. Ooh.
Grabbed there by Simmons, gets to his feet and fires.
Man, there is a reason he's won 4 Gold Gloves.
I think he knows. His dad makes fun of my name all the time.
All right.
I think I did. Come on, man.
I'm gonna take a guess. Not even close.
Is this one right?
Oh, so close. September 4th.
Oh, see?
What was yours?
February 18th.
Not even close. All right. Remember this?
That's the easiest.
Wait.
That's the easiest thing. That's the easiest song.
I remember he had Notorious in Arizona. How am I drawing blanks right now? Not. I got blank. It was Notorious. God, does that count as a point? Half a point at least? Can I give him a hint? It's a husky. So it's a very common name with huskies. Oh, try. Ooh, I know she was a really good player. She's very athletic. I'm gonna go shortstop, just because she could play shortstop if she wanted. Catcher?
Right now, she's playing the outfield. I could be right, but I could be wrong. Yeah.
Simmons, the bare hand play. This guy can play some defense.
So I don't have to write it because I wrote a bunch. I had a bunch.
Yeah.
Yep. Sure. On the Dexter one, I had Dexter, of course. I had Didi, the dinosaur, the monkey. I had Popeye on one. There's one that I'm missing. Kids Next Door.
Kids Next Door. I remember that one too. God, I might not even know this. Am I right? I think so. Yeah, got a homer. I got a homer.
Jansen gets ready. And Simmons drives one deep left. That one's gone.
I remember seeing something, but I got nervous. gonna be way off, but I'm gonna say not even close. Gosh, you don't went with the piano. How many songs do you know now?
1.5.
What songs?
All of me, and I'm trying to learn Fly Me to the Moon, but jazz version, which is really hard. So I only know the single hand part.
Okay.
I've always read this, but I don't know if it's right.
Didi nailed it.
I'm just gonna write. I could be wrong.
My neighbor won it. He was on the team. Gosh. I was proud of him, but now I don't remember it exactly.
So I was not that proud.
Whew, I forgot. Oh, God. I messed up.
Current? I didn't even count, I just wrote it. Should I count first? Let's see.
We're gonna call it a tie, right? Yeah.
Another fun fact. His mom has a picture of me. I have a slice of pizza like this big with my, with my long sleeves on.